Hi, I'm James Crowson with Crowson Law Group. I want to talk for a few moments with you about what you can expect to recover for property damage from a liability insurance carrier if you were in an accident where you were not at fault. Your vehicle may be considered a total loss, or it may be considered one that can be repaired. If the accident caused your vehicle to become a total loss, then the liability insurance carrier for the at-fault driver will have to pay you enough money to replace that vehicle. Now, how that's done is that the state requires the liability carrier to hire an independent company to do an appraisal of your vehicle, and they use comparable vehicles in the area that are for sale, and from that they extrapolate what your vehicle would be able to be sold for on the day of the accident. And that's what they owe you. Every dollar of what your vehicle would fetch in an arm's length transaction with another citizen. If that amount is enough to cover your loan for your vehicle, then you can pay off your loan and you'll have extra money left over to purchase another vehicle. On the other hand, if your vehicle can be repaired, then the liability carrier will certainly owe for the repairs to your vehicle, and they need to be done in a workmanlike fashion. While those repairs are being done, they will pay for a rental car that will replace your vehicle while your vehicle is in the shop. You can review your vehicle and make certain that the repairs are adequate. If you feel like there are supplementals that need to be done later, then you work with the body shop and with the liability carrier to get the vehicle taken back in for any subsequent repairs. And of course, while those repairs are being done, you likewise will have another rental vehicle. So to recap, if your vehicle is a total loss and it's the fault of someone else and they have insurance, their insurance company will pay you the market value for your vehicle. If your vehicle has to be repaired instead, the liability carrier for the at-fault driver will pay for the repairs to your vehicle, and while your vehicle is being repaired, they will put you in a comparable rental car for the pendency of the repairs.